Have you ever wondered how authors and graphic designers create stunning and visually appealing book mockups for their books like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorials on how you can easily create a professional-looking book mockup for not just the cover page of your book, but also the interior pages of your book. And we're going to be doing this using a free software. So whether you're an author or a graphic designer, or probably thinking of creating a book in the future, then you might want to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can easily create a stunning looking book mockup.
All right, so the first step of creating a mockup is to take screenshots of all the pages. I'm going to be taking the screenshot of this front cover page. This is my cover book, so you can take the front page and also the back page, right? So I'm using the snippets, a pre-installed snippets tool. You can use whatever screenshot tool you have on your lap, on your device. And what I'm doing right now is to just grab the image and place it somewhere that I can easily locate it, right? So once you have done that, the next step is to go get a mockup design, and we're going to be using a free software to get our mockups. So we're going to be using this website called Mockup World, and as you can see, there's so many different mockups, and on the search bar you just need to type in books, since we're doing a mockup for books, and you're going to see the different mockup designs that we can, different books that we can use. Now you can just select the one that you want. Now you have to take note that what we want is the PSD file type, right, for the mockup. So Mockup World has those file types. So we're going to be grabbing the image from here, right? So once you see an image of the book that you want, just tap on it or click on it, and you're going to see the free download button, right? So click on the free download button. Right, so you can see the file type is PSD, and that is what we want. So to download, just click on the free download button, and sometimes it's going to direct you to another page, right? So here is the folder. You can see that it has different groups of mockups, and as you scroll down, you're going to see the download free mockup here, and you can also check to see that the file that you're downloading is a PSD file, right? So once it is downloaded, just grab the downloaded file and just save it somewhere that you can easily locate. All right, so here is mine, and when I open it up, you can see that the folder comes with the images and also the PSD file for that image, right? So what I like to do is to grab the image and save it somewhere that I can easily locate. And here it is. You can see that it is well arranged, the image first and then the PSD file of that image. So it's well arranged. Then the next step we're going to do is to go to Google, and we're going to type in Photopea. Now this is a website where we need to create the mockup. Once you have your images ready, the next step is to actually bring them together and create the mockup. And here is the website, and there's a link. Once you open it up, you're going to click on where it says open from computer in order to import. Now we're going to first of all grab the PSD file. All right, so you're going to take a look at the image and the image that you want to use, right? So once you like the image, you can just grab now the PSD file for that image and then you import it, right? So I'm going to grab this one. Click the open button to open it. Right, it's loading. All right, so once it is in here, the next step is to add the cover page. And if you take a look on the right, you're going to see where it says add cover page design. Now click on the little square, black square box in the center, and it's going to show you this is the cover page that is on the book right now. So we need to change this. So we'll need to add our own image, which is the image I screenshotted. So go to File and click Open and Place. Right, you're going to grab the screenshots, the screenshot, which is the cover page in this case, and here it is, and click Open. Right, so you can now just use the white dots around the cover page, and then just drag and adjust for it to fit the square properly, right? So you're going to adjust it until it fits and cover up all the cover page. Right, next is to save, and we're going to go back again to the file, and you're going to see save smart object. Click on that, and it's going to be saved. And you can just go to at the top and click the X to delete this, right? And you can see that it perfectly fits on the mockup design. Next is to add the spine of our book. And before we do that, if you take a look closely, you're going to see the I button, right? And you can see when it's turned on, you can click on that to turn it on and off. When you turn it off, that particular section or part of the book is going to disappear from the mockup, right? So when you turn it on, it is going to appear there, right? As you can see, the spine is back because we turn on the eye. Now to add the spine, it's pretty much the same thing. Click on that and we're going to add the spine. But right now I don't have a screenshot of the spine of my book. So what I can do is, since I already know the color, I'm going to go to shapes right here and we're going to grab the rectangle shape. Click on that and you're going to see our cursor changes to a plus sign. You can just drag and draw, and it's going to draw a rectangle. So fit it perfectly, and then you can change the color. Go up here and you can change the color, right? So we're going to give it the same color of our book, since we don't really have a spine, the spine of our book, right? But this is another way you can add spine. But and again, you can just take a screenshot of your spine and add it here, and then you're going to save it as a smart object. Once saved, go to the top and click the X. Okay, and then you can see that our spine has been added, right? So the next step, once you have everything ready, I think that's the only thing we need to add. That's the only design we need to add. You can also change the background. You can see there's an option to change the background, or you can also take out the background by clicking on that I button, and it's going to take out the background. You can also add a color fill, right? Take out the color fill. You can see when the eye is turned off, the color goes out, right? You can also change the background color by doing the same procedure, following the same step. Next is to just save it up. So I'm going to go to file and click the export, go to export button. I'm going to export this as a PNG file. Right, click PNG and just come down here and click save. And your book mockup is going to be downloaded, right? So we're going to grab it and again place it on somewhere that we can easily locate it on our laptop. All right, so here it is. Let's see. All right, so this is the image, as you can see. All right, so let's go back again and do another one. Go to open from computer, and we're going to grab the PSD file of the image, right? So click on that and click the open button to import it. Right, we're going to add the cover image. Go to the right, at the bottom right corner, you're going to see the cover. Click on the little square box within to change the image or the cover image. So it's pretty much the same thing. Go to file, click on file and click on open and place. Grab the screenshot of the cover image and then adjust it, and then go to file and click save as smart object, and you have it here, right? So all you need to do is go and export it as a PNG. So it's pretty much the same thing, and you have your mockup ready. All right, next let's go ahead to see how to create the mockup for our interior pages. Again, make sure you have the screenshot of the pages and the open book mockup, right? So click on open from this computer, and we're going to grab the open book mockup design, and we're going to take the PSD file and import here. All right, so once it's open here, if you take a look on the right, you're going to see the cover page. You're going to see the right and left page. So we're going to start with the left page. So click on the little square box, and we're going to grab the screenshot of the interior. Go to file, go to open and place, and we're going to go and locate the screenshot of the interior page that we want to create as mockup. And then you can just adjust it. And next is to save. Go to file, click save smart object, and then just close this, and you have it there. Next is the right page. You're going to do the same thing, right? So when you click on that, go and import it. So go to File, Open and Place, and we're going to import the right page, and drag and adjust, and go to File, Save as Smart Object, and close it up here, and you have everything ready. So there it is. You can just export it as a PNG file, right? So you can export it as a photo file, and there you have your mockup ready. As simple as that, right? So let's go to our desktop. You can locate it here. This is how it's looking like. You can now share it. You can now post it on your socials to advertise your book online. So that is how you can easily create a perfect or professionally looking mock-up design for your book using free softwares.